I'm pretty sure everyone knows what Fiverr is, a popular freelance platform where you can hire freelancers to complete tasks for you. But do you know you can actually earn money on Fiverr without selling anything? And this is by far the smartest way to get paid by Fiverr. All you simply need to do is to connect interested buyers to sellers. And once a transaction occurs, Fiverr pays you up to 70% of that transaction. Now you may be wondering, how do you actually get paid on Fiverr without providing services or selling products on the platform? You do this through what is called the Fiverr affiliate program. And now you may be thinking, how much can you potentially earn on Fiverr with today realities? $100 a day, $500 a day. To be honest, this really depends on the amount of effort you put in and your promotion strategy. And if you stay to the end of this video, I will share my exact strategy which you can use to earn consistent daily income on Fiverr affiliates. So how do you get started with Fiverr affiliate program? All you simply need to do is to go over to fiverr.com. Then you want to simply scroll down to the very bottom of the page, and here you're going to find the affiliate program by clicking on the affiliates link. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to the Fiverr affiliates page. And if you scroll down here, you can make money via three methods on the affiliate program. The first method is by promoting marketplace gigs, and the second one is pro services, and the third one is logo maker. The best is the Fiverr Pro Services, and this is because you get paid 70% of the first order. And as you can see here, you also get 10% of future orders for the next 1 year. So all you just simply need to do when you come over to this page is to click on the join now. It's going to bring you to the registration page where you want to enter your basic information, and your account will be created right away. So once you create your account, your dashboard is going to look like this. And on this platform, you can start promoting various Fiverr gigs and start getting paid. So the next thing you then want to do is to come back to the Fiverr platform, and I'm going to share with you on your screen some of the most popular and converting niches you can promote on Fiverr and start making money from today. If you do everything I'm going to teach you in this video correctly, I can assure you you're going to see amazing results. All right. So now that you know the type of niches you should be promoting on Fiverr, I'm going to show you an example of how you can start promoting these services to the right audience and start getting those affiliate commissions. Okay. So I'm going to take website development niche as an example. Okay. So I'm just going to come over here and click on website development. And like I showed you earlier, you want to go with the Fiverr Pro services, as this gives you 70% of the first order. Okay. So now I'm going to take this one here as an example. Okay. As you can see, this guy here has 18 orders in queue. And as you can see, their basic service cost about $300, while the standard is about 600, and this one is about 800. Okay. Now, someone who has been very familiar with Fiverr for many, many years, I can tell you for free, most people usually go for the standard plan, right? And if we look at 70% of this price right here, that's about $420 right there, which you're going to get paid if you get people to order this gig on Fiverr. All right. And as you can see here, this gig here is going to build professional dropshipping Shopify store for people. And like I told you guys earlier, this niche is in high demand. And as you can see here, that is why there are 18 orders in queue right here. So once you find a gig of your choice, all you just simply need to do is to go over to the top here, and you want to simply copy the link to that Fiverr gig. Okay, so once you copy the link, then you want to go to your Fiverr affiliate dashboard, and you want to scroll down to where it says marketing tools, and you want to click on default and deep links. And you want to come over to where it says deep link, and you want to then paste in the link you just copied. Then you want to click on save. Okay, so once you click on save, the next thing you then want to do is to copy the Fiverr Pro link. Okay, so you want to copy the link just like this. So the next step now is promoting this Fiverr link. Okay, and to do that, there are several methods you can use, and the best one you can use is YouTube. I highly recommend YouTube because a lot of people across the globe use YouTube every single day. Okay, so one of the best places you can promote this Fiverr link is on YouTube. And to do that, you just simply need to create very simple videos like best logo designers on Fiverr, best Fiverr AI services, best video editors on Fiverr. All you just simply need to do, just like I did right now, to look for those services that are getting a lot of orders in queue, because that tells you these sellers are giving a lot of value to their customers. And you can compile this list and make a short YouTube video, then post it on YouTube. It's that simple. It doesn't have to be complicated at all. You can post this, like I told you earlier, a lot of people use YouTube every single day to search for questions on how to improve their business, their lives, or whatever thing they are looking for. A lot of people use YouTube every single day. And you can then have a link to their gig in the description of your video. And once people go over to contact them and make a transaction, which results into a sale, you get a commission. It's that simple. And here's a bonus trick if you want to make money in passive income. Instead of directing people to your affiliate link, I highly recommend to create a funnel. You can use a tool like Involve Me to create this funnel. I've actually made a video about this platform. You can click on the card above the screen right now, and you are going to see in detail how to create a funnel with this platform, which you can then use to get people to join your email list. And from there, you can always send them similar products or similar offers on Fiverr over the years, which means all you need to do is to get them to your email list once. And over the next few months or few years, you can always recommend other products or other services to them. And this way, you'll be making money in passive income. And keep in mind, you don't have to stick with the web development niche. You can also go for the other niches that I showed you earlier in this video. This way, you can easily build consistent income on Fiverr. So my strategy is very, very simple, and it's strictly based on consistency. The more effort you put in, the more results you're going to get. It's that simple, okay? All you just simply need to do, like I mentioned earlier, you want to go for one of the niches I showed you in this video. All right, so that is the very first step. The next thing you then want to do is to create a quality video around the keywords people interested in that service might be looking for on platforms like YouTube. All you then need to do is to make a very useful video, then publish it to YouTube. And finally, you want to paste in your affiliate link in the description. But like I mentioned earlier, I highly recommend to create a funnel, which you would then put in the description of your YouTube video. So I can assure you, if you post at least 1 to 2 videos every single week consistently, you definitely get results.